continuing with the MOT fixes, what I'm doing now is since I've got the bumper off, I'm going to go to the water reservoir tank, and I've looked carefully at it, and I can see that there's a little bit of wear right there, and let's just focus in on that. There we go, a little bit wear there, so I've just moved that across a little bit so the tape is catching onto that, and same will do that one as well. I've disconnected the hose here from that. Okay, and there's another one here. I put it to disconnect in the middle, and what I'm going to do is going to use my air line, which is just over there, to basically blow air right through the whole system to the front and the back on both of them, so that it just cleans out all the crud, and hopefully it will just come to the top and I'll get a nice clean water spray again. Fingers crossed. So all the junk came out of these nozzles, just sprayed right onto the window, so that means that it's managed to get a connection, the air can get through. What I'm doing is just using a toothbrush to put a fair liquid on it, just to give it a nice clean, and I'm going to do the same thing again. And hopefully that will just clear up this. I'll do it about 3 times, and hopefully it will clear up the nozzle end as well. And that's the front water jets done. You can see, you can actually hear the water hitting the screens quite nicely. As I said, what I did was I blew the air through. It wasn't still coming through the nozzles, so then what I used was a guitar wire, and I ran that through the 4 slots on there. I can't remember which string it was, but I know it's definitely the G string, probably around the D string. And if you're actually throwing away old guitar strings, then the bit that you want to catch is the bit with the little round nut on the end, because that makes it a really nice holding tip. Unfortunately, it also falls out your hands quite easily, and I lost mine in the grass. So I've just used a bit of string, and I'm just running nice warm water through that, and then I'll do the rears as well. I don't know how, the rears just been a dribble water all these years. So I'm just running through a lot of just clear water straight through that, and then I'll blow it out one last time. But what a difference that is altogether.